Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today's the day 20 of my series of daily coding vlogs, and we have made it pretty far actually. I never thought that I will say day 20, but hey, things are going pretty well, and videos are being too too much delayed because of my bad habits. So what can I talk about that? Okay, so today we will be talking about classes and objects. Now, classes and objects are pretty useful because you can create a class, and that class it can contain functions, or I can say as objects. Just think about it like this way, that there is an object called as a rectangle. There is a private object and a public object. Private object cannot be changed from outside, like the variable. Like class triangle will have two, length and breadth as a private variable, and public class which will have functions that will receive the variables information. Classes and objects are used in C++ to make things pretty easy, and also structure is also used. First you define a class, then its object which contains functions. Of course, then in the int main you have to define the structure. The structure should be of the class name. Like if the class name is rectangle, then the structure should be rectangle space r1, means first object, first rectangle, comma r2 means second. You can change the number sequence if you want, but it's easier to remember like this way. And then you can use the functions in the or the class in the of public style to get information, calculate or display it. You can either declare like int in it or do as void. I prefer void actually, so void is also useful. And also there is a memory allocation, and also this pointer. This pointer means this, this pointer. This is actually a type of pointer actually. For anyone who is not trying to understand, in inverted commas, this is a pointer. Okay, so that was actually pretty much interesting, like overloading structures and classes, program, and how the compiler compiles and links the other structures. So it was pretty easy actually. As I said, this book actually consists of more theoretical part, which is not a bad thing by itself. So that's a pretty good thing, and then that's it for today. And see you tomorrow in the day 21, and goodbye.